This course can be enjoyed by everyone, including complete beginners. And because it's online, you can practice yoga when you choose to. As we know, regularly attending a class is not always convenient and can be very expensive. The course includes a number of guided classes as well as everything you need to compose your own bespoke sequences, making it a perfect choice for anyone wanting to incorporate yoga into their daily routine. During the course, we will cover all three elements of yoga: exercise, breathing, and meditation. Just 15 minutes can bring about enormous health benefits, including reducing anxiety levels and symptoms of stress as you experience an inner calm. You'll experience an improvement in the quality of your sleep. You'll have better posture, improved circulation, and be able to build upon your flexibility. Yoga will increase your muscle strength and bone density, helping to protect the spine as well as preventing joint and cartilage wear. You'll have clarity of mind and experience better focus and concentration. Yoga will also help you to develop a sense of self and body awareness. In fact, the list of benefits are endless. The course also comes with unparalleled support from the course instructor, so you're never on your own. Enroll today and start making the changes you've always wanted for yourself.